Mega shout out and welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And once again, we will do our another videos, which is my favorite unboxing videos. So guys, ganito po yan. Nung December, story time. Nung December kasi is, yung isang estudyante ko may binigay siya sa aking gift pero hindi kasi magkasya. So ngayon, we decided na i-return na lang siya online. And then it so happen na yung pera na yon is napunta lang doon sa applications at hindi siya pwedeng i-withdraw. So hindi siya pwedeng i-withdraw, and then sa sobrang busy namin, sa sobrang ding busy niya, wala kaming time na pumunta doon sa shop kasi dapat pupunta ka doon sa shop para doon mo siya i-redeem. So, ngayon guys, nagkaroon kami ng time since hindi kami sobrang busy or wala nga talagang klase. So, me and my students, pumunta kami sa isang mall at doon namin claim yung naghanap kami ng panibagong piece of something na yung nasa doon. Yung pera na nasa applications, yun ang ipangbayad. And here's comes guys. I'm so excited. Again, hindi ko binabrag to guys, but I'm so excited to show. Pumunta kami dito na shop guys. And then, again, my favorite shop. At ito ang napili namin i-replace doon sa na-order. Yes guys, the brand is Calvin Klein. So Calvin Klein, bika naman. And sa dami doon guys, sa dami nung nakita ko doon, this one I really love. Kasi wala pa akong ganito eh. Again, nangungulekta ako nito guys, pero this time ito yung napili ko. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahal, but then swak lang din sa budget. So again, disclaimer, I'm not bragging. Pakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung ano yung binigay ng estudyante ko sa akin. Very generous. Okay. Yes. Watch po siya guys. Relo po siya and the brand is Calvin Klein. Gold-plated na relo. And then yes. Actually, may price pa yan siya, guys. Here's the watch. So, Calvin Klein. Very nice Calvin Klein watch. And then, yeah. So, Calvin Klein, stainless steel, blah, 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 etc., etc. So, let's do it, guys. I-try natin. Actually, ito ding isang watch na to guys, binigay din to ng students ko. But what I love this one is the design of perfect. Really perfect. The design is not that big, it's not that small, but it's very elegant. Wow. Look at guys. See? Look at this one. See? Very elegant. This is what we called, the model is and Japan movement, blah blah blah, etc. So, but anyway, it's Calvin Klein. Yeah, I really love. Now I have a gold-plated design of Calvin Klein. I used to have a silver type, but the other brand. Thank you so much. I want to shout out Rosemary. Thank you so much for your generosity. Thank you so much for this one. I really love it. Added to my collection, guys. See? Thank you so much. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart. Follow nyo ang page ko guys sa Facebook, Dida Ian. Ilagay ko dito si Dida Ian. And then, hit the notification bell para masubaybayan ninyo ang mga videos ko. And once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. Spread love and positivity. God bless everyone. Rosemary, once again, thank you.